UNICEF of Jamaica has donated technical equipment procured by and valued at approximately $1.9 million as a part of the ministry's strategic plan to mitigate the negative impact of COVID-19 within our juvenile centers. This partnership is truly all about the technological platforms and resources within our juvenile centers to provide for regular virtual communication between the wards and their families, the virtual implementation of psychological and psychiatric interventions, the virtual implementation of mentorship sessions, virtual court attendance for the children with matters before the court, academic and life employability training using virtual platforms. In addition, a monitoring committee has been established to manage and monitor the use of technological equipment to ensure their efficient and appropriate use.
Because of COVID-19, these children are less able to receive non-essential visits, which, while protecting their physical wellness, leaving them becoming increasingly isolated. UNICEF previously partners with Department of Correctional Services, Juvenile Services Unit to provide equipment to help protect these children and workers there from COVID-19. That was 2020. Having done that, we thought it vital to extend the partnership to help keep them connected with their families, their education, and important child justice and psychosocial services.
The connectivity that this will provide will certainly go a long way in ensuring that they are able to rejoin society as productive members of that society. It's investments and projects of this nature that will truly bring down our recidivism rate. We look forward to future cooperation between UNICEF and the Ministry of National Security. It is our endeavor to ensure that none of our approximately 500 children in our care are left behind, but are given every opportunity to succeed, and that your contribution will in fact go a far way to helping them secure success and true rehabilitation.